Hello and welcome to the Tax Court of Canada. This presentation is to assist self-represented litigants to better prepare for their hearings. It is not meant to be legal advice nor act as a substitute for the legislation and rules applied by the court. To some, the judicial process may appear complicated and the various rules and practices may seem difficult to sort out. This brief presentation is designed to illustrate the unfolding of an appeal at the Tax Court of Canada, help you to better prepare for your day in court, and explain what will be expected of you. During the next few minutes, we will address the following topics. What is the Tax Court of Canada? How to prepare your day in court? And how a hearing is conducted before the court. The court's rules of procedure, decisions, and other information on proceedings are available in both official languages on this website. Every Canadian taxpayer may at one time or another disagree with a decision made by the federal government in administering and enforcing tax laws. The Tax Court of Canada is a superior court specialized in hearing appeals pertaining to federal tax legislation. Individuals and companies may appeal decisions made by the federal government relating to, among other things, income tax, the goods and services tax, employment insurance, and the Canada Pension Plan benefits. The Tax Court of Canada has two types of procedure, the general and the informal. Under the general procedure, formal court procedures are closely followed and many procedural rules are applied throughout the appeal process. If you file a general procedure appeal and you choose to be represented, only a lawyer may represent you. The informal procedure is intended to minimize the legal steps involved in the appeal process. For income tax appeals, the informal procedure is limited to cases in which the amount of federal tax and penalties in dispute for each taxation year, excluding interest, is $12,000 or less. For GST appeals, there is no limit to the amount in dispute. Under the informal procedure, you may represent yourself or be represented by a lawyer or by an agent, such as an accountant or a relative. However, due to the complexity of a particular case, you may prefer to be represented by either a lawyer or an agent.